Hey guys, so if you watched my last video, you should know what's going on. So I just added the packer. Yes, I added that packer. The creeper space. I've added that packer. They have not accepted it. I've already added them. I'm just waiting. So creeper space 1, 2, 3. Here they are. I have requested it. This is my backup account, so if they do hack it, I have my normal account. You know. So, oops. This is how you spell it. Okay. Oh. Okay. A lot. So I think we're gonna add this one. Get this one. I'm not the real girlfriend, so leave me alone. So where's the real one? Room freight hashtag #1. Do not friend me and please gifts. No, if you literally said please don't friend you. Like what? Oh, fatter. I'll watch out the grimace back. He. Okay, we're gonna add you. Yes, we're gonna add you. Okay, so this is practically like the dolly. Time to play at 9 tonight. I'm gonna put a virus in your computer on your device. Or your device. Okay, so I guess tonight at 9, if I'm home, I'm going to play. And you're gonna put a virus on my computer. I'm getting a new computer anyway. I'm getting a MacBook. I might get a Pro. I'll have to ask which one I want. So we're gonna look up the dolly. So let's see here. The dolly. Oh, oops. Dolly. The dolly, I am back. Okay. Okay, so toys have come out and play. We're gonna add you. You look real. You said you were back, so I'm adding you, obviously. Holy crap, okay. How can it really be the dolly do that, what these people are doing, dressing up as the dolly. Really. Okay, we're gonna put the unknown vehicle. And, okay, yes. Unknown. Unknown. No. Oh, dang, okay. Back up. I'm back. Revenge is back, and his people soon mine will soon shut down. You need to put be mine, but I'm still gonna friend you. So I'm really adding packers. I'm gonna put adding packers on here. Adding packers. Okay. Just going to click off of this. I don't know why, but I think that's what's messing up the thing. So I'm gonna look up on my phone. Other hackers on see, but they're literally hackers. So I'll be back. It's probably gonna make a minute, but no time. Alright, I found one on my phone. Looks pretty legit. So blood I-F-I-E-D space. Oh, I literally spelled that wrong. Oh, okay, so that must be on the UK. Maybe. Okay, here's one. Grim Reaper. Okay. And search. Okay. Let's look at another one. No. Yeah, sure. So, infamous game. Yeah. Let me see. Get ready for Trump. Okay. Half of these are probably on the UK. So, wait right there, sweetie. Join me. You know what will happen. Okay. Oops. Wait. That. There. Sweetie. Holy crap. No. Is that literally the same one as this? Where at there, sweetie? You're in the status of update because she's too busy packing. Look at her. Who is this? Don't judge me. Look. Bye bye, P.S. Ginger Bells. It's Jingle Bells. Get a cred. Okay. Okay, so I found literally a lot right here in the danger slash. Okay. Danger. Oh crap. Danger slash. Danger slash. This is not it. No. This is not the thing. I don't know who the heck this person is. Okay. Why, no more. Okay. So, white, no more. I like more. Okay. Not on here. Glitch. Ghost. Glitch. Ghost. Oh, it's ghost. Oh, no, honey. You're not afraid of the dark, you're afraid of what? And leave me alone with message run. Okay guys, I'm back. I had to do something. So, I'm typing in my... Okay. This one, I don't really know how to pronounce it. So we're just gonna search you. So ENTRY, no, YPTED. Don't know why they came up with that name. Oh my god. Okay. Looks like that person is no longer available. So I think this is enough packages that we have added. But there's one more I want to add. One more. Madam Red 666. Okay. So it looks like that person has gotten off too. So we're going to click on this one first. Alright, this one looks like it actually like the person because like see what is their status? Okay, honey, no. No. Mm-mm. Blood is red, bruises are blue, come here, I will promise I'll take care of you. Okay. Seems legit. Now if none of these people add me back, which I will be on 9 o'clock sharp. But if it's like gonna take a while, you know, I don't know. We're just gonna type in sit. How about that? Sit. I'm evil. I the devil. I'm coming. My little pretty's mostly going for the VIPs. Okay. Okay, we're gonna add you. This Valentine's Day I'll be the worst week you'll ever have. Valentine's Day is already over. So, like, hey, John. Okay, yeah. Okay, people, you need to, like, you know. Okay, since this is afraid, I'm not afraid. Okay. Since this is for us, so be afraid. Don't close your windows or I'll see your blood time. I don't have a window, so, don't know what you're talking about. Don't close your window. Wait on this. Okay. Oh God. Okay, sorry about that. My cousin called me. I added this person. We're gonna add a couple more videos. People, which are these kill you in your sleep. My computer just made a noise. That's not all. Okay, we're gonna go with this one, I think. Sorry, that's my cousin. Oh crap, okay. Alright. 1 second, guys. I added this person, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.